Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. As we step into 2026, the future of smart glasses has officially arrived. Today, we are looking at the visionary horizons of wearable tech. The industry is hyper-focused on integrating advanced AI, lightweight and stylish designs, and high-fidelity augmented reality. Meta's ecosystem and specialized productivity wearables are currently dominating the space, driving trends like real-time voice AI, situational awareness, and incredibly immersive media consumption. Let's dive into the top 5 smart glasses leading the charge. First up on our list is the Ray-Ban Meta Gen 2, created in partnership with EssilorLuxottica. These are the undisputed leaders in AI-integrated stylish everyday glasses. By focusing on conversational AI, video capabilities, and high-fidelity open-ear audio, they are setting the gold standard for mainstream adoption. Next, we have two devices pushing visual boundaries. Number 2 is the X-Real Air 2 Ultra. This is the top choice for AR purists and developers, packing 1080p micro OLED displays per eye and a buttery-smooth 120Hz refresh rate. It also features full 3D environment mapping for advanced AR interactions. Number 3 is an emerging concept called the immerser. It acts as a personal entertainment powerhouse, giving you a massive 120-plus-inch virtual screen. Paired with 3D spatial audio, it's a next-level experience for media and gaming. If you are an athlete, our fourth pick is for you, the Oakley Meta Vanguard, or HSTN. It combines sleek, durable styling with advanced health and fitness tracking metrics, all powered by Meta's AI. Finally, at number 5, we have the rise of discreet, daily driver AR glasses. These are conceptual, lightweight frames designed to look exactly like normal eyewear. They give you information, navigation, and notifications without making you look techie. So, what are the core features driving all of these 2026 trends? First is AI integration, always listening assistants that can translate languages and provide context-aware information. Second is audio and visuals. The standard is now high-fidelity audio paired with bright micro OLED screens. And finally, style and comfort. All-day wearability is essential, meaning fashionable frames are the priority. Which pair would you wear? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.